Hey car owners, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're addressing a topic that's been oiling up my inbox. Does high mileage oil really work? As a technician with over 2 decades of experience under my belt, I've seen my fair share of marketing gimmicks come and go. But high mileage oil? Well, that's a different story. Let's look into the facts and separate the truth from the hype. Before we get started, if you find this information valuable, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps me continue providing reliable, professional automotive advice. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. High mileage oil is specifically formulated for vehicles that have accumulated significant mileage, typically over 75,000 miles. But what sets it apart from conventional motor oil? The key difference lies in the additive package. High mileage oils contain specialized additives designed to address the unique challenges faced by older engines. These include 1. Seal conditioners. These additives are formulated to rejuvenate aging seals and gaskets, which can become brittle and lose flexibility over time. The goal is to reduce oil leaks, a common issue in high mileage vehicles. 2. Enhanced detergents. Older engines often accumulate sludge and deposits. High mileage oils typically contain stronger detergents to help clean out these buildups, potentially improving engine performance and efficiency. 3. Viscosity modifiers. These help the oil maintain its protective qualities under extreme conditions, which is crucial for older engines that may have looser tolerances. 4. Anti-wear additives. As engines age, metal surfaces can become worn. These additives create a protective layer on engine components, helping to minimize friction and wear. Now, the million-dollar question: does all this actually make a difference? Based on my professional experience and the available research, the answer is, it can, but it's not a universal solution. Let's look at some evidence. Studies have shown that high mileage oils tend to be more stable at higher temperatures and offer better protection against thermal degradation and oxidation. This is particularly important for older engines, which may run hotter and be more prone to oil breakdown. Research has also indicated that high mileage oils can help reduce oil consumption and emissions in older engines. If you've noticed your vehicle burning through oil faster than it used to, switching to a high mileage formula might help alleviate this issue. However, it's crucial to understand that high mileage oil is not a cure-all for engine problems. If your vehicle has significant mechanical issues, no oil, regardless of its formulation, will resolve those. It's akin to treating symptoms without addressing the underlying cause. So, when should you consider using high mileage oil? Here are some guidelines based on my years in the field. Your vehicle has over 75,000 miles on the odometer. You've noticed increased oil consumption or minor leaks. You frequently drive in severe conditions such as extreme temperatures, stop-and-go traffic, or while towing heavy loads. You're looking to proactively maintain an aging engine. It's worth noting that even if your vehicle doesn't meet these criteria, using high mileage oil is unlikely to cause any harm. The additional additives won't negatively impact a younger engine. They just might not provide significant benefits. Now let's address the cost factor. High mileage oils generally command a higher price point than conventional oils. But consider this: if it can help extend the life of your engine and prevent costly repairs, that additional expense at oil change time could be a wise investment in the long run. From a professional standpoint, I've seen high mileage oils make a noticeable difference in many vehicles. I've had customers report reduced oil consumption, improved performance, and in some cases, even the cessation of minor oil leaks after switching to high mileage formulations. However, I always caution that your mileage may vary, pun intended. The effectiveness of high mileage oil can depend on factors such as the overall condition of your engine, how well it's been maintained over the years, and your driving habits. In conclusion, while high mileage oil isn't a magical elixir that will transform an old engine into a new one, it can be a valuable tool in extending the life and improving the performance of older vehicles. As with any automotive product, its effectiveness will vary depending on your specific circumstances.